Hi everyone, myself Chandra K, lecturer, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Machine Tools. The course name is Power Plant Engineering. The code is 15MY53B for the 5th semester Machine Tool Technology students. Here I am presenting the session 2 of the Unit 6, that is Environmental Pollution and its Control. These are the learning outcomes for this presentation. Understand and remember the concepts of air and water pollution in thermal power plants and control in environmental pollution and its control. Then these are the session outcomes for this presentation. At the end of the session, students are able to understand the air and water pollution in thermal power plants and its control. Another session outcome is students are able to know the about remedial measures and pollutants from thermal power plants in environment pollution and its control. These are the two contents I am taken for this presentation. First content is air and water pollution in thermal power plants and control. Second content is remedial measures and pollutants from thermal power plant and its control. We want to see what is air and water pollution in thermal power plant. The term thermal pollution, thermal means is a temperature, heat. The term thermal pollution has been used to indicate the detrimental effects of heated effluent discharged by various power plants. Now, it denotes the impairment of quality and deterioration of aquatic and terrestrial environment by various industrial plants like thermal, atomic, nuclear, coal-fired plants, oil-filled generators, factories and mills. Then the thermal power plants burning conventional fuels. Conventional fuels andre it may be coal, oil or gas. The thermal power plants burning conventional fuels contribute the air pollution in a large measure. Now, the influence of thermal power plants on the surroundings are determined by their ejection of fuel gases, flue gases, heat, and contaminated wastewaters. True, the thermal power plants are not among the worst contaminants of water basins in terms of scope, composition, and their liquid waste. Their discharge into water basin can cause greater harm to proper means are not taken for water protection. Now, water is a good solvent. This is the reason why many different chemical substances are found dissolved in water. Gases in the atmosphere will dissolve in rainwater as it passes through the air. By the time water reaches a stream or river, it will contain a variety of chemical compounds dissolved within it from the air and from the rocks and soil through which it has percolated. These compounds may be completely harmless, naturally occurring substances, but they may also include pollutants. We want to see what is the remedial measures. So what we want to consider to control the water pollution. See, the following remedial measures can be taken to control water pollution. The following measures can be taken to prevent or control high temperature caused by thermal pollution. First point is Heated water from the industries can treated before discharging directly to the water bodies. Then second one, heated water from the industries can be treated by the installation of cooling ponds and cooling towers. That means ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ವಾಟರ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾತಾವರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಹಾಳಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್. Now, through artificial lakes, in this lake, industries can discharge their used or heated water at one end, and water for cooling purposes may be withdrawn from the other end. The heat is eventually dissipated through evaporation. Hence, we can say any kind of pollution may directly or indirectly affect humans, because the loss of biodiversity causes changes that affect all the aspects of environment. Then the following remedial measures can be taken to control the air pollution. So we want to see water air pollution control ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನ ಬೆಳೆಸಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Trees absorb greenhouse gases. So it is absorb greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and releases oxygen O2 into the air. Use fewer vehicles. So almost ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಫೀವರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. That means vehicles releases much of the pollutants into the air. An alternative way to save air polluting is to start electronic vehicles. So instead of petrol diesel vehicle ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು we want to move the electronic vehicles. ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್. ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಲ್, ಡೀಸೆಲ್, ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಇವನ್ನ ಬರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸಸ್ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡೋಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದಿ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ petrol, it may be gas, it may be diesel. Then make use of renewable energy, very important. So renewable energy means it may be solar energy, wind energy, thermal energy, hydro energy. ಈ ಎನರ್ಜಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಫಾಸಿಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿನ್ಯೂವಬಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಲೈಕ್ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ that pollute the air, renewable sources of power such as hydropower, wind power, solar power, etc. are comparatively less polluting. So these powers, hydropower ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, wind power, solar power ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, compared to fossil fuels almost nil pollution ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Use green technologies. That means unlike traditional factories that releases a lot of polluting fumes in the air, modern green plants releases minimal polluting gases, and these are the pollutants from the thermal power plants reaching the environment. So we want to control these pollutants. So first one, carbon monoxide, we called as a CO, carbon dioxide CO2, sulfur dioxide SO2, nitrogen oxides such as nitrogen dioxide NO2, nitric oxide NO, ಫ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಶು, ಡಸ್ಟು ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಂಟ್ಸು ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂದ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಎನ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗುಡ್. Then when you come to multiple choice questions, the term, first multiple choice question is, the term dash has been used to indicate the detrimental effects of heated effluent discharged by various power plants. Option A, thermal power pollution. Option B, water pollution. Option C, air pollution. Option D, none of the above. So the solution for this question is option A, Thermal pollution, that means the term thermal pollution has been used to indicate the detrimental effects of heated effluent discharge by various power plants. The next multiple choice question is environmental pollution denotes the impairment of quality of deterioration of aquatic and terrestrial environment by various industrial plants like option A thermal and atomic, option B nuclear and coal fired plants, option C oil field generators, factories and mills, option D none all of the above. So solution for this question is option D all of the above. The next multiple choice question is the basic principles followed for eliminating negative impacts on dash. Option A, the quality of water, air or land will be introduced. Option B, shifting emphasis from control to prevention will be considered. Option C, the limitations of building solutions for individual environmental media will be examined. Option D, all of the above. So the solution for this question is option D, all of the above. So the next multiple choice question is the thermal power plants burning conventional fuels dash contribute to air pollution in a large measure. Option A coal, option B oil, option C gas, option D all of the above. So solution for this question is option D all of the above. The next multiple choice question is modern society is also concerned about specific types of pollutants such as option A noise pollution, option B light pollution, option D plastic pollution, option D all of the above. So solution for this question is all of the above. The next multiple choice question is the following measures can be taken to prevent or control high temperature caused by thermal pollution are option A heated water from the industries can treated before discharging directly to the water bodies. Option B heated water from the industries can be treated by the installation of cooling ponds and cooling towers. Option C industrial treated water can be recycled for domestic use or industrial heating. Option D all of the above. So solution for this question is option D all of the above. The next multiple choice question is water is a good solvent. This is the reason why many different chemical substances are found dissolved in water. Is this statement is true or false? Option A true, option B false. This statement is solution is option A true statement. The next multiple choice question is small particles can be released into the air by aerosol use and by the combustion of fossil fuels. So is this statement is true or false? Option A true, option B false. So solution for this question is option A, that is solution A. Next multiple choice question is the following remedial measures can be taken to control air pollution are option A use fewer vehicles, option B use less fossil fuel, option C make use of renewable energy, option D all of the above. So solution for this question is option D all of the above. The next multiple choice question is pollutants from thermal power plant are option A carbon monoxide CO, option B carbon dioxide CO2, option C sulfur dioxide SO2, option D all of the above. So solution for this question is option D all of the above. So these are the references from which we take the information for the presentation. First reference book is Power Plant Engineering by G.R. Nagpal, Khanna Publishers. Second reference book is Power Plant Engineering, Aurora and Domkundwar, Dhanpat Roy and Company. The third reference book is Power Plant Engineering by P.K. Nag, McGraw Hill. The fourth reference book is Non-Conventional Energy Sources, G.D. Roy, Kanna Publishers. The fifth reference book is Renewable Energy Sources, Tansin Abbasi, PHL Learning Private Limited. Thank you for watching. Thank you.